How to quick fix your broken headphone in 2 minutes. Watch my tutorial and also share with your friends. Thank you. Cut wire. Where is it broken? Remove wire from headphone jack cover. Remove the rubber with lighter. Hot down and melt down the rubber using the lighter and remove it quickly with your finger, but don't burn your finger. These three wire is red, green, blue and golden. Remove wire isolation cover with the lighter. Don't extra burn down. Soldering the end part of wire with a solder gun. Enter the wire in headphone jack cover. Solder the red wire for mic, golden wire for ground, blue wire for left speaker and green wire for right speaker. See this how I solder this 4 wire for headphone jack. Apply glue on soldering wire. Put the headphone jack in headphone jack cover. Yes, this is done. You recycle your damaged headphone in a 2 minutes. Please. Thank you. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.